Good morning, ladies. Kim, your trusty Lancome beauty advisor here. Now, I wanted to make the video this morning. I just got my freebies, and if you guys check out the kimsbeautybiz.com, there's my mini masterclass telling you how all year long, between all the different brands and all the different counters, you can get free makeup and skincare. But today's video is about Lancome, Tonique, Confort, skincare trio, and I guess Confort is a fancy French way to say comfort. I don't know, but they consist of the creamy mousse cleanser, and you put it on and adds a little bit of water to your face, and it's milky and it lathers. And all of these products are for dry or sensitive skin. That was one of our absolute best sellers at Lancome of any skincare line, and it's very, very affordable and very, very worth it. So just for time's sake and making a video, I don't obviously have a sink here, but I have kind of applied some to my face and took the water, of course, and rinsed it off, and fresh face for the video, because the next step after the cleanser in our facial would actually be exfoliating. But because I exfoliated yesterday with my microdermabrasion, we're going to skip straight to the toner. And this is the Tonique Confort, and it's actually a toner. And what it does, it shrinks pores. It also provides a moisture barrier, so any of the environmentals and kind of locks in the moisture. But we're going to pat, never, never rub, ladies, especially around the gentle eye area. Pat, 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 pat. And the toner actually seals in your skin, prepping for makeup, so the makeup doesn't get in and clog a lot of your pores and stuff like that. And it smells absolutely luscious. Like I said, these have rose hip extract in all of the products, and the cleanser actually has acacia honey and sweet almond oil, and those are very, very beneficial for your skin if you do your research on ingredients. Now, the third step in the Lancome skincare is our rose jelly mask, and this is a nighttime product, and when you put on the mask, it is infused with hyaluronic acid and rose water and honey, ladies. Yes, rose water and honey. And so you're getting your hyaluronic acid. That's also good for wrinkles and to plump, bring the moisture up from the inside out. But it is deep quenching and will lock in the moisture. You leave it on overnight, and you do not wash it off until the morning. So the next time you are at the department store or anywhere near your trusty Lancome counter, just be sure to ask for a sample. They will let you take them home and try before you buy. And all of these products are at the Lancome counter. You can sample any of these, but these are the three that are designed to work together for the Tonique Confort line from Lancome. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. As always, I appreciate you here at Kim's Beauty Biz, and check out the website, because every week we upload the new video to YouTube and IGTV and the new blog post this week. So, and also that new blog post, speaking of which, you cannot miss this blog post. I poured out my heart for this blog post about just what happens when you go to a makeup counter, Lancome or anything, which, you know, Lancome is most of my experience, but in some perfect and luscious insider tricks and little tips that you have to know before you go to any makeup counter and want to buy makeup and skincare. I am here every week, every Tuesday, IGTV and YouTube. I upload a new video with all these luscious goodies and insider beauty secrets that you guys just need to know. I guess I want to share all the goodies, but in other words, check that out, please. kimsbeautybiz.com. Just kind of scroll down a little. You'll see the YouTube link and you'll see the blog link. But if you're interested in learning more about the mini masterclass, where I teach you all the different tips, what each counter offers, the scheduling, the calendar for each of the products, because they kind of rotate it, so they're not all gifting at the same time. You have got to get this information if you want free makeup and skincare all year long. Anyway, till next time, much love.